Hey man, say man, it's your boy Victor, man. We back again with another video, bro. Man, hold up, bro. This is Texas City, you know. We got my sister over there, you know what I'm saying. We got this little dark right here. His name William, you know. The little girl. We got that nigga gang banging or something. I don't know. Hey man, but that's gonna be the end of this vlog, man. And I'll catch you later.
Alright, so this is Texas City right here. And we're here doing some good old fishing.
Come on there, fool. Come on there. Come on there, fool. You should have videotaped her.
Yeah.
Get it out. They're probably only using my bullet.
Better not touch my armpit, bro. Did you get it?
That's a catfish?
Yeah. Careful, don't let it que no te pique las stingies.
It's waterproof.
It's a catfish, Daisy? Yeah, there's a catfish. Daisy got a catfish.
Pero no te va a picar, eh?
No podemos agarrar así.
Ay, was it pregnant?
Oh.
Yeah, tenía huevitos.
It was. You murderer. No, it's not so weird.
Pobrecito! It was pregnant!
Those are little eggs, right?
It had eggs. Ooh, caviar. How do you know? Oh, did it like rip open or what?
No, she pooped them out.
Oh, dang.
Aww.
You should have just laid them there, fam. Why'd you throw them?
Huh? ¿No vas a dejar ir? Oh.
I can't find it.
This is the fish I caught earlier.
Se lo comieron. No. You. Destiny lover. Destino lover.
You're a hater.
Everything. Huh?
You're a hater.
Where'd you learn that from? Destino?
Yeah.
Destiny?
Para que veas that I learned useful things.
How to be a murderer?
Yeah, I was taught to be a murderer. Were you not?
Not by destiny. Jumbo.